Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen. Take a look at this. We have some dash cam footage for you. Look at this UFO. Stay tuned. We're going to be covering this and a lot more on this episode of iUFO Sightings. Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look at our footage over here. Look at this. UFO Sightings, alien ship. This footage comes to us from Wisconsin. This is some incredible footage over here, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. This, in fact, might be an alien ship. See this, looks like it's being distorted or something like that. Some kind of energy through the center of this UFO. Looks like there's two lights on it, one on the left and one on the right. This is brand new footage that we received it December 20th, 2019. Absolutely incredible over here. This is the first time we're seeing anything like this on this channel. Look at that energy or whatever it is. It's some kind of camouflage. It's like it's distorting there in the center. Perhaps that's the energy running in between those two lights. And this was filmed. The source is a truck driver. He sent in this footage to us. He was dropping off a shipment. He drove from Chicago all the way up to Wisconsin. He was going back actually. He had dropped off his shipment in Chicago, and on his way back at a truck stop, this is what he saw. He pulled out his cell phone and started filming it. Once again, this does come to us from Wisconsin. Absolutely incredible. Look at this. Here's a close-up shot of this UFO. There you can see clearly in the center. It's almost like some kind of energy or something. Is it trying to distort itself? The only thing is the footage just cuts off, and we did not have a chance to talk to the source. He did contact us through Facebook and said check this video out, so we're bringing it to you. Here's a still shot. Here's a close-up shot. There you can see the distortion clearly. Something is going on over there in the center. Want to pass it off on to you, ladies and gentlemen. What do you think is going on over here? If you have any insight or any further information, please leave it down in the comments below. Look at this, just absolutely incredible footage over here. Brand new footage, once again, December 20th, 2019 is when we received it. We received a message with the footage, and it does come to us from Wisconsin. Now remember, if you like seeing these videos, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Check out the links in the description below. We'll have a link to our UFO playlist so that you can catch up on all the UFO sightings. This is Max with iUFO Sightings. Hope you have a good one, and we'll talk to you soon. Stay tuned. Remember, if you like seeing these UFO videos, hit that subscribe button and then hit that bell notification, and you'll never miss a UFO sighting again. Alright, welcome back. Let's take a look at our footage over here, UFO Sightings, South Carolina. And take a look at this. If you can see, there's movement. The source apparently just got done shopping at this mall or the shopping center, and came back to the car. Look at that right there. So came back to the car and then saw this UFO and she pulled out her cell phone, started filming, and then is walking towards the UFO. And thankfully, you know, she stops because she notices there's a car coming, and it stops right there, and then that's where the footage gets cut off. We are not sure if there's more footage or if the filming stopped. Hopefully there is more footage. We just received this via email, and we have reached out asking for details. And if there is any more footage right there, see that the car just comes by and stops. But here's a close-up. Look at this UFO. Looks like multiple parts to it. What is this? And if you look at the back there, it looks like some kind of energy. And then in the front, it has like a blinking light. Very interesting. Once again, this was in South Carolina at a shopping center over here. Look at that. And the source just got done shopping and then came back, was walking towards the car. Once she reached the car, looks like somebody else was in the car over there, but just started filming the UFO, walked out. And this car comes by, passing by over here, and thankfully she just stops. But yeah, apparently the UFO didn't make any noise from the film footage. There was no noise, and she couldn't hear any noise either. So that's interesting. There's the footage, guys. And if you've seen this UFO, if you have any additional footage, if there's any other sightings of this UFO, please leave it down in the comments below. If you like seeing these videos, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And stay tuned. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a good day. Alright, welcome back. And man, do we have some great UFO footage for you. UFO sightings, clear footage. And I think the title says it all, guys. This is brand new footage taken on October 21st, 2017. And the source was flying back home. Look at that, right over the lake over there. Is that an island or something? We did not get an exact location. We just knew that the source said that he was flying back home to the US. Wow, look at that island over there. It looks like there might be some kind of base. Perhaps a testing facility for this UFO. This was spotted, guys. This was taken with a brand new iPhone 8. And the footage is just absolutely clear. I think this has to be the clearest UFO footage we have received on this channel. It's got to be in the top 5 clear at least. Look at this. And look at that. It looks like there's some kind of energy at the bottom of the UFO. And it looks like some kind of black metal, but don't quote us on that. And that is, there is all kinds of layers, it looks like, to this. And then at the bottom you can clearly see some heat distortion, and it looks like some flames or something. But it's not giving off any emission, meaning smoke. So that is interesting, guys. Look at the clouds over there, and look at that island. I mean, is that a very interesting? It'd be, gonna have to follow up to find out what exact location it was, and perhaps he just didn't know what the exact location is. You know, here's a close-up of this UFO. Just incredible. Even with us zooming in, the footage is just absolutely clear. You can see at the bottom there's definitely, looks like some kind of flame energy that's burning, and you can see there is the distortion, so that is definitely heat that's being created. Excellent footage, guys. We're going to have to say proof positive on this one. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Have you seen this UFO? Is this some kind of test? What is going on? You know, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Check out our description in the newsletter for our free newsletter to sign up. And we will talk to you tomorrow. Have a good day. Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. UFO sightings dash cam footage. Look at this object. This thing is moving fast over here. Source claims that they were going about 80 miles per hour. That would make this object flying at least about 150. Maybe that's just a guess. This thing is definitely cruising. Most probably faster than that. But look at the shape on this. This is definitely not a plane. At first glance, I thought it was some kind of plane or something like that, because it seems to have some wings. But the way the object's maneuvering, and then when you see it closer, there doesn't seem to be any engines or anything on it. There's no fans on it. Look at that. That's just a smooth shape. And the way it's just maneuvering over here, absolutely incredible. It does look like it's going pretty fast. And this footage comes to us from Michigan over here. The source is driving to his parents' house. He's gonna go visit him for dinner. And this is what he saw. Look at that. And this footage was sent in to us on December 20th, 2019. Absolutely incredible footage over here, ladies and gentlemen. This is definitely some incredible UFO footage. I mean, as we can see, this thing is definitely moving fast. And look at the way it just maneuvers like that. Incredible. Is this, in fact, here's a close-up shot. Look at that. I mean, you can't see any engines or anything on it. It does look like those are some kind of wings or something like that. Is this possibly that a new TR-3B or something like that? I guess it could be classified as a triangular shaped object, but nonetheless, definitely don't have too much information on this. I did get a chance to talk to the source. Matt, thank you for sending in this footage. And he was just clueless. He just said this was just incredible. He was just glad that the dash cam caught this footage over here, and couldn't believe it until, you know, he went back and saw the film. And great, we're glad he did pass it off onto us. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. If you like seeing these videos, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more UFO sightings. This is Max with iUFO Sightings. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye. Remember, if you like seeing these UFO videos, hit that subscribe button and then hit that bell notification, and you'll never miss a UFO sighting again. Wait, don't go. Are you sad that the UFO video is over? No worries. Just click on the center icon button there and you'll subscribe to iUFO Sightings, and you won't miss another UFO sighting again. What's that? You can't wait for the next UFO sighting? Then go ahead and click on the image on the left and you can start watching more UFO sightings right now.